Well, here we have the KREG pocket hole jig 320. Just purchased this. We're going to use it to put our railings up and fasten it to the posts on our deck that we're going to be building. Let's take a look inside, see what this kit's all about. Well, let's take a look and see what's inside. We got our owner's manual. Here's our jig. It's all adjustable, as you can read here, for 1/2 inch material, 3/4, and 1.5 inches. So you decide what size of material you're going to be using. You can use this to measure the depth of your material, and then here you adjust it and it'll fit on your material. And you can see this is our drill bit. It's also adjustable for the depth of, you can barely see it right there. This gets adjusted and you drill it, goes on that angle. Sawdust comes out here. That gives you your holes. And we have an extra long drill bit here, a Robbie bit, to put your screws in. And this here is your exterior screws. It's like the cabinet screws with a larger head, outside coated screws. These are your inside screws for indoors. If you're doing a table or something, table legs. There you go. This here fits on this, and your clamp fits inside here. So you can clamp on your material. And I'll show you how it's done on a piece of lumber. We're going to use this product to fasten some of our decking on outside. So we'll get to that a little later. These also come apart. This one slides forward and turn. Comes apart. So if you only need to do one hole, small board that you're using, you can use one, or you put them together, you can do two with a nice space in between. This is how your jig fastens to your pliers. So you just take it off, put it on your next piece, drill your holes, take it off, put it on, drill your next one. Should work quite slick. As you can see here, we've used this tool to fasten the 2x4 to the post. Works amazing on this deck, as you can see. Hopefully this tool works for you also. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.